Let's see how to fix autofocus issue on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max. If you try to record a video, but it will autofocus like this automatically, means you can't capture the video clearly. It will blurred out at some point. So to do this, first we need to go to settings and scroll down a bit and open camera control. Now here you can see this option lock, focus and exposure. Turn on this toggle button. Now minimize this and open camera app and switch to video. Let's say if you want the focus for this back case, you just need to tap this like that and hold. So here you can see, that's it. If you see AE or AF lock, it means the autofocus were turned on. I'll show you an example. If I place my palm near the camera, it's blurred out. When the palm moves to the fixed point, I mean this back case, you can clearly see that. So here you can see the difference. So this is how it works. And if you minimize and close, it will reset it. So now you can see there is no fixed autofocus. So you need to fix once again. So this is how it works. And if you want to know more videos about iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max, watch this playlist.